people are saying that the coffee has been sold are talking rubbish, but it's good that they are talking rubbish because then we shall know them by their fruits. It's good to tell such a lie. Really, it's good for us because we are going to prove them wrong, and you people, you should punish them for telling you such useless lies. It's important that we have been having this debate. Really, what are you debating? Either you are abantu bange bano bentambula nabo bantu ba kikaki ukono nobudde ensonga ngendo. The most shameful part were those who were tribalizing the effort. It is criminal to do so. It is good, however, that they have come out and said that Museveni will be stealing part of the coffee if UCDA is abolished. UCD is now abolished. We shall now see which coffee Museveni will steal. If there will be no coffee stolen by Museveni, as there will be no coffee stolen, the people of Uganda must realize the shallowness of these groups and punish them politically. Although I think we should also punish them even legally. Finally, I must comment on the rotten opportunism of these parasites that is also dangerous.